Hello, Gela. Thank you for the interview. Let's start talking about Georgian tax code. How do you think is the Georgian tax system competitive among other regional countries, and is it attractive for foreign investors?
Hello, Shota. Thanks for your invitation. Yes, I think Georgian tax system is highly competitive in the region and not only. The reason is the following. Georgian tax rates are not high. They are lower than medium, and they are lower than most of the country in European Union and Europe generally, in the region. But besides that, Georgia provides some exceptional tax benefits, incentives, exemptions to corporations and individuals. At the same time, Georgia has quite rich tax treaty network, 56 countries so far. One will be added soon with Hong Kong. So if we put all together, Georgia is highly competitive, not only in the region, compared to neighboring countries, but I think also in the world, even in the world.
And which tax incentives and benefits are offered by Georgian government, and do we see any new changes, for example, in VAT or in different taxes as well?
I will start from corporate income tax. Georgia has a special system of corporate income tax, which is so-called the Estonian model, which means that corporate income tax is not paid on annual basis, but only after distribution of dividends. For example, if a Georgian company has a profit in a fiscal year of 2020, they will not pay corporate income tax until they distribute profit dividends to the shareholder. So if they keep money in the company, they don't pay nothing, or even if they if they decide to reinvest the profit, for example, buy new equipment or start new direction of a business, they don't pay any corporate income tax on the reinvested profit. So for some companies, it might be even equal to tax exemption. Also, we have 3 industrial zones which offer zero taxation of corporate income tax and other tax benefits. We have virtual zone persons for IT companies providing IT services from Georgia to abroad. They are also exempted from corporate income tax. We have newly introduced provision of international company status, which is applicable for IT and shipping companies. They enjoy low taxation, 5% corporate income tax instead of 15%, 5% wage tax instead of 20%, 0% dividend tax instead of 5%, and 0% property tax on many assets instead of up to 1%. So which is also very beneficial for the companies in those fields. Plus, international companies can decrease the base of corporate income tax with expenses of salaries paid to resident persons and R&D expenses. So at the end of the day, they might not have any obligation of corporate income tax, only 5% wage. In addition, we have special trade companies. Those are companies involved in re-exporting business, and they are exempted from corporate income tax on the profit received from re-exporting goods from Georgia. Providing crypto is exempted from VAT. This is regulated also from Georgian tax code from 2021. Until now, it is regulated by decree of a Minister of Finance. We have from 2021 we have a new Georgian VAT rule, which is very similar to European Union rule, and it exempts most of so-called service export.
Which tax incentives and benefits can be enjoyed by the individuals in Georgia?
I will start from individuals with status of small business. Individual entrepreneurs who will be qualified as a small business, they can enjoy as low taxation as 1%. The main precondition is that annual income should be up to $500,000 Georgian lari, which is about 160,000 USD, and the 1% taxation is not qualified. Not every activity is qualified under 1% taxation. In addition, 5% personal income tax applies on selling or renting residential properties. Zero taxation on of individuals on foreign source income, but here it should be the attention should be taken to the fact that we should not understand foreign source income literally, any income which comes from abroad. There is special definition provided by Georgian tax code of what is Georgian source income, what is foreign source income. For example, dividend interest received from abroad, capital gain from selling shares in a foreign company, or pension received from abroad are qualified, in most cases are qualified as foreign source income and are exempted from personal income tax, which is not the same with regard to service provision. So a person can enjoy zero taxation of foreign source income, but should be careful about qualification of what is really foreign source income according to Georgian tax code. Plus, Georgian resident individuals are exempted from capital gain from reselling their apartments if they own more than 2 years, or reselling any other assets if they own more than 2 years and they don't use in economic activities. Selling cryptocurrency and getting the capital gain from selling cryptocurrency is exempted from personal income tax, which is exceptional benefit, and you cannot find such benefit in most of the countries, and other benefits.
Thank you,
Thank
Gela.
you too.